Bro, my little cousin, he's 10, changes our Wi-Fi name to your fridge is watching you. I'm like, I don't even have a smart fridge. Next morning I grab milk. The fridge beeps. Nice bedhead, today I freeze. How does it know? Turns out, this Gen Alpha menace hooked his iPad to a baby monitor and hid it in the kitchen. Now my fridge is roasting me. Daily nice pajamas, boomer? Milk expires in 2 days. Just like your Riz. Bro thinks he's main character. I unplug it. Starts blasting Ohio meme songs at 6 a.m. Even my mom's like, let the fridge cook. So now, live in fear of a $300 LG fridge with the personality of a Fortnite kid. Moral: never underestimate a Gen Alpha with an iPad. It's the last line. And if you're watching this, little cousin, sleep with one eye open.